Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, we want to evaluate these rational expressions using two methods without the use of any calculator. Now to the first method, we split into partial fractions as 12 to the power of 6 over 6 to the power of 6, and that minus 6 to the power of 6 over 6 to the power of 6. And recall that a to the power of m over b to the power of m can be expressed as the power of the quotient. Therefore, 12 to the power of 6 over 6 to the power of 6 becomes 12 over 6 to the power of 6. While 6 to the power of 6 over 6 to the power of 6 is 1. Then 12 divided by 6 is 2. So we've got 2 to the power of 6 minus 1. And 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So we've got 64 minus 1. And that is 63 without the use of any calculator. The second method is going to take a little different approach, where 12 is expressed as the product of 2 and 6. And that to the power of 6, then minus 6 to the power of 6, all divided by 6 to the power of 6. Also note that when we have power of a product, a times b to the power of m, this is the product of the individual power, a to the power of m times b to the power of m. Hence, the fraction becomes 2 to the power of 6 times 6 to the power of 6 and minus 6 to the power of 6 over 6 to the power of 6. Then we go by factoring, where we factor 6 to the power of 6 in the numerator, and we'll be left with 2 to the power of 6 minus 1, and that over 6 to the power of 6. And here 6 to the power of 6 in the numerator and denominator cancel out, which means that we'll be left with 2 to the power of 6 minus 1, and that as usual is 64 minus 1, giving 63. So whichever way, either the first method or the second method, without the use of any calculator, the answer remains 63. I believe you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you get updates from time to time from this channel. Thank you for watching, and we expect you to watch more of our videos. Have a lovely day.